Hello everyone, welcome to Law Excellence IAS. Myself Rajshekhar Kota, I teach Public Administration at Law Excellence IAS. See, to utilize the time and the opportunity created because of the postponement of Civil Services Preliminary Examination by UPSC to October 4th, and also to ensure students to enrich their preparation with respect to optionals, particularly public administration. So we have come up with a program which goes for 51 days, and this program will be started on 22nd June 2020. Before going into the details of the design and schedule of this program, we will try to look into various global forces or various global winds that try to define and redefine the contours of public administration as a discipline and as well as practice. Now, what is my intention in bringing these topics right now in this video? Now, I want to give you a broader understanding how we will take this course forward for the next 51 days. This is what my intention. And the next one, to make you aware, see, these are the areas which we will try to emphasize in our course curriculum. So to ensure these two things, I am trying to discuss these global forces in the present video. Now the first global force which we will be discussing is the COVID-19 pandemic. Now the COVID-19 pandemic firmly established the role of the state and its trusted instrument called bureaucracy. And it once again brought the relevance of public administration. And it also exposed the weakness, the shallowness, and the inabilities of private sector to stand firm during the crisis. This is one observation which will be going to influence the nature of public administration in the coming days. Now the second force which we are witnessing is there is a shift in global power and hegemony from Western world to Asian countries. Now this global shift will try to bring in a new set of values. It will try to bring in a new set of practices that are rooted in Asian civilization. We all knew that public administration theories, public administration concept got influenced by Western notions of progress and development. Now this global shift in power and authority tries to bring in a new set of values. So this is one factor that will be going to influence the nature of public administration in the coming days. And the third important factor is the fourth industrial revolution. We all knew that fourth industrial revolution is characterized with various aspects like artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, cloud computing, and robotics. Now these technological changes bring a disruptive changes in the nature of public administration. For example, how the first industrial revolution and second industrial revolution brought changes in the nature of public administration. Similarly, the fourth industrial revolution will try to set the discourse for public administration in the coming days. And one more important global force right now in existence is the emergence of hyper-nationalism. And we are witnessing this phenomenon in United States, and we are seeing this phenomenon in Britain, and also we are witnessing this phenomenon in India too. Now this emergence of hyper-nationalism will create a new set of socio-political outlook to the administrative systems across the world. And this is an important consideration which we have to note. And one more important global force is that the internet penetration. And we are witnessing in the recent times more number of people are active on social media platforms. Now this activism will try to bring in new forms of accountability and control on various administrative apparatus and various institutions of the state. This is one more factor which we have to take into consideration. Now we also have some other global forces like climate change, gender sensitivity in administration, and crisis management in administration, which tries to alter the contours of public administration in the coming days. Now these global winds will make the academicians, students, and practitioners of public administration to sit and think with respect to the nature and scope of public administration. And also understanding of these forces will also enable civil services aspirants to widen his horizons and also to predict the nature of the questions that UPSC will be going to ask in the coming days. Now we will go into the program details. The program is designed in such a way that to facilitate student to seamlessly connect various concepts, various topics, and also to interlink the content with current affairs. This is what our intention to start this program. And the second aim of this program is to make you understand the nature of the UPSC questions and how to develop an approach to write answers to these questions. This is what the second aim of our program. Now the final aim is to score marks. So we'll put our best efforts to give you confidence so that you can score at least 65% of the marks in your optionals. So if you convert that 65% of marks, it will be around 325 marks, right? This is our aim of our program. Now we will see how we have designed our program. See, every day we will give you a set of topics to read and followed by at least 3 questions for practice purposes. And the next day we will be discussing previous year UPSC questions on that particular topic. Of course, this discussion will include those questions which we gave for you to practice also. And in addition to this discussion, we will also summarize the whole topics which we gave for you people to read. So summarization, we will try to summarize the whole content there. In addition to that, we will try to integrate this content, or we will try to integrate these topics with current affairs. So this is what we will do in that 2 to 2.5 hours of discussion. Now this program will go for 51 days, and every alternate week you will be having a mock test consisting of 10 questions and followed by a discussion. So at the end of the course, we will be having 2 mock tests covering entire syllabus. So this is what the program, just we will look into that program here. It starts on 22nd of June. For example, of day 1, we gave you some topics to read from chapter 1 of paper 1 in public administration. And the next day, we will be discussing previous year questions from this particular topic. And also we will be discussing on some high yielding areas, and we will try to integrate these topics to current affairs. Okay. And on this day, we will also give you some questions for practice purposes also, so that after you finish your reading, you can practice at least 3 or 4 questions. Now the program goes for 51 days, and every alternate week you will be having a mock test consisting of 10 questions, right? Now at the end of the course, you will be having 2 complete tests. Okay, the orientation session for this program will be held on 18th June 2020, okay, the coming Thursday. Now you can download the PDF of the syllabus in the link given in the description box. I hope this program will surely enrich your understanding of the subject, and it will also help you to score as many marks as possible in the examination. So with that, I conclude. Thank you, one and all.